how to apply for TikTok Creator Fund. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So for this, you will have to open up your profile, and after opening up your profile, just make sure that you are signed into your profile. After that, click on the three lines at the top and then click on the option of Creator Tools. After that, just scroll down on Creator Tools and you will be able to find the option of Creator Next. And under Creator Next, you will be able to find different options like video gift, marketplace, and all sort of different ways to monetize your content. And in case if you are not able to see this section of Creator Next, then probably you are new to TikTok, or the other reason could be that you're not adult. So these are the possible reasons for not showing this particular section in your TikTok. Otherwise, you will be able to see it, and then you just have to keep uploading the content and get eligible for different features. Then you would just have to open that particular feature like video gifts or marketplace and then open it up, and you would be able to apply for it if you're eligible. And that's how you join the Creator Fund on TikTok. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.